Hey, what are you doing? Hi, I'm Aaron from HardwareZone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I've been using it for the past 1 week, and let me tell you one of my favorite features. Hey, what are you doing? For example, you can set it to activate only when you turn on certain apps such as Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, or messaging apps such as WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. As you can see, privacy display is not turned on in general, but when I go to Facebook, booms! Bye-bye shoulder lurkers. Privacy display also allows me to turn it on for notification pop-ups. Here's one example. Guys, let me show you what's so cool about the horizontal lock feature. Let's go! So I've talked about the phone's privacy display as well as the horizontal lock feature, but there are a lot of cool software that the phone can do for you, specifically Galaxy AI. Let me show them to you right now. Creative Studio is basically an AI-powered tool that allows you to generate, edit and stylize images. For example, you can do stuff like this. Pretty cool, huh? You can even create stickers out of your own favorite photos. For example, let's try this. My dog. And generate it. Pretty cool, isn't it? But what is so cool about Galaxy AI is that it allows you full privacy control. So you can manage your data, selecting whether to process AI information on device or via the cloud. And this is supported by Samsung Knox Security. So I've shared with you my favorite features of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. What is yours?